Brand Oppo. Model name Oppo F21 Pro 5G. Operating system Android 12, custom UI, Color OS. Chips CPU Snapdragon 680 CPU. Speed cores 8 cores up to 2.4 GHz. GPU Adorno 610 1100 MHz. RAM 8GB, RAM type LPDDR4X. ROM 128GB, expandable up to 1 TB, user available storage up to 105GB, storage type UFS 2.2. Battery capacity 4500 mAh. Battery type polymer. Removable battery, no. Fast charging. Superbook 33 watt, 31% in 15 minutes. USB type C. Network and connectivity. SIM slot, dual SIM, GSM plus GSM. SIM size, SIM 1 nano, SIM 2 nano, hybrid. Network support 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G and VoLTE. SIM 1 5G band, 4G bands, 3G bands, 2G bands, GPRS, EDG. SIM 2 4G bands, 3G bands, 2G bands, GPRS, EDG. Wi-Fi 5. Bluetooth 5.0. Fingerprint sensor on screen. Fingerprint sensor type optical. Other sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. Display 6.43 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED punch-hole display. Pixel resolution 2400 to 1800 pixel. Large screen to body ratio of 90.8%. Camera, dual camera, 64 megapixel main camera plus 2 megapixel micro camera plus 2 megapixel monochrome camera with AI color portrait and dual view video. Front camera 16 megapixel front camera. Design height 159.9 mm, wide 73.2 mm, thickness 7.5 mm. Weight 173 grams. Waterproof, yes, plus proof, IPX4. Audio jack 3.5 mm. What is in the box? Adapter, SIM tray ejector, handset. Warranty detail: 1 year manufacturer warranty.